I thought I'd do a little video for either those that work with AI and sell to customers, or for customers to show you that, it's still some work working with things from AI. And this particular set I'm doing is Baby's First Christmas clothesline set. And I thought I got some really good renders, but I go through it, I'll see these little errors that I need to correct because, you don't want to sell your customers something that's obviously AI. Well, there's a few errors in here. The first thing I see is, why is the hat tied to the string or whatever that pink thing is? And the other thing is the line has some gaps in here. So when I went and removed the white background, the software that I used for that probably took it out. So we're going to fix a few things. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a clothespin to put on the hat. And which one am I going to pick that I can easily? I think I'm going to go with this so I can get that pink out of there, maybe. So if you're working with Photoshop, I'm doing Control C to copy it, edit, paste. That's going to put it in another layer over here. And then I'm just going to drag it. Why does it keep doing that? I'm going to drag this out of the way. We're going to zoom in and we are going to erase the extra part around the clothespin here. I like to get real close to it, hold shift on the second to erase, and then I'll draw a line. It makes it look much better. So then we're going to go get the clothespin again. And I'm not sure how we're going to put it where it looks really good. So let's see what we can do with this hat. I don't like this pink thing here. And then let's erase it. Not on the right layer. I don't like that. Let's see if we can do something funky here with the hat. I'm going to copy, Control C, edit, paste, move that up and out of the way, see what we can do with it. Get rid of this extra stuff. Edit, transform warp. I can't talk today. Windy, cold day. I think I'm getting a sore throat too. I'll just tie this up if I can. Let's try that. And I want to move this behind everything so it goes underneath. More warp. I just keep dragging and dropping till I make it make sense. How is this going to look if I put it on top? Get our eraser. Whoops, resized the screen accidentally. Let's see what that looks like zoomed out. Interesting. And get the black lines lined up there a little bit. That looks good. I need a different eraser. I want a hard eraser, not a soft eraser. And let's also go in there, get some red fill in this little hole right here. Let's fill in it underneath. Okay. Now, where's our clothespin layer? I believe it's this one. New. Up here. Go drag our clothespin. Free transform. Kind of spin it around. Let's see how that looks. Not bad. I'm going to do one more thing. We're going to duplicate that hanger, the clothespin. And we're going to put one on the other side so it looks even. And the last thing is filling in the gaps. I'm going to go ahead and right click and merge visible since I need to get rid of those layers anyway. And we're going to copy the string, Control C, edit, paste, and then we're going to move that around. That looks good. We're going to put, so we're going to go ahead and get it duplicated again. And we'll use that one for the other side with the extra one up there. Now we're going to go back down here and we want to get rid of the things that we want it to go behind the shirt. All right. And then we're going to take this one, do the same kind of thing, and erase anywhere where it touches the clothes. We want it to look like it's behind the clothes. There we go. Merge the layers again. And I have a little action set up where I'm going to make the width 4500 so I can tell my customers how wide it is so they know how big it will be for them to work with. And then it's going to trim the extra pixels and then it's going to automatically save for me. So all I would do is press this button. Okay, I hope that was enlightening. And I've got more to do. So thank you for watching and have a great day.